my God. All right. Habanero pepper right here. I got ice cream and a bunch of milk. I forgot a spoon.
I'm gonna get it.
Okay, well, she is fetching a spoon. I am terrified. So, we got all my ice cream right here. The best flavor in the world. Sherbet, I think. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna make sure this is actually good milk. Pretty good. Yeah, this right here is probably, I'm just gonna take a little itty bitty bite. Got my spoon.
No, Mimi, get out. You're gonna get thrown up on. Let's go.
Mimi,
Go.
my dog trying to eat it with me.
That's Mimi's girl.
Alright. Mimi, you don't want to do this.
Mimi, come. Mimi, come. Come here, baby. Come here. Go find your baby. Come. Is this right? Okay. You know you can use the milk if you want.
I'm gonna do one more bite.
Fine.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
I think he's being a bit. No. I don't know. Next, you should try the one chip challenge. Mimi, get out.
Okay, you know what? I'll do one more bite. It's not that spicy.
Totally.
I'm dying right now, but.
Mimi,
Oh, yeah, the seed. Oh, no. Throw that away. We don't want Mimi to get that.
don't touch your face. Do you need like a wet
Oh my God.
towel or something?
I need a coffin.
You need a coffin. I just got that.
I'm not gonna throw it. Woo.
He's like gonna throw up. I'm just gonna go call like 911.
I'm dying. It burnt my lips more than anything.
Here we go.
The good part is the good thing is that it burns your taste buds, not your throat. I only ate like a few seeds, but people who can eat the whole thing in one bite, bro,
That's just. That's called talent.
without anything. I'm trying to get there. I don't know how they do it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye. It's his favorite cousin right here.